Okay guys, today I have for you Sonya's Diva Bag for the month of August. If you're curious to see what I got this time, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you the Diva Bag by Sonya. You guys know this is one of my favorite makeup subscriptions, and I've gotten a lot of makeup subscriptions so far. And you know what, guys? I haven't canceled any of my subscriptions. No, I canceled one, but I think I might start it up again. At any rate, we're getting off track here. We're talking about the Diva Bag by Sonya. And you know what? This is one of my favorite bags because it's only $12 a month. And I gotta say, Sonya really packs a punch for 12 bucks a month. I love most of the products I get in all of my bags. And another thing that is great about her company is that they try to focus on small businesses and women-owned businesses. And I just love that. I think it is awesome that she tries to spread the love, so to speak, to other small businesses out there. And you know what? A lot of the products that she puts in her bags, if you wanted to repurchase them, are very affordable. That I love. A lot of these other makeup subscriptions put things that are way too expensive for my price range. So I really appreciate the fact that there's items in there that I could easily buy and continue to use if I liked them that much. So without further ado, let's jump into what I got in my August bag from Diva Bag by Sonya. Okay guys, so before I jump into all of the hopefully awesome things I got in this bag, I gotta point out one thing that I noticed before I opened up the bag. And of course I covered up my address here, but look at this. It says right here, can you guys see it? I hope. It says, to the fantastic Amber Meeks. What? Sonya thinks I'm fantastic? Guys, honestly, I love when companies do stuff like this. I think it is such a nice touch and a really great thing for them to do. And I just happened to notice it and I wanted to share it with you guys because I thought it was super cute. So let's get into what is in this hopefully fantastic bag for the fantastic Amber Meeks. So Sonya does include a card with her bag, and it kind of talks about the products that are in the bag. So I'm not going to read this because I want to be surprised. I want you to be surprised. I want everybody to be surprised. So I appreciate this. I love that she includes these, but I am not going to read it for you guys. So we're going to jump into what's in the bag. Yay! Oh, this looks to be like a fan. Okay. Well, it's an August bag, guys. And if I can open this for you. Oh, here we go. So it's really hot in August in most places. Unfortunately, she seems to be a month behind. That's okay. But yeah, it seems that she is. Oh, look how pretty this is. Yes. I feel like I belong on a carriage in the 19-somethings. But I love this. Yes, this is so cute. So low-key, guys, I really love this. Oh, look, I think I opened it wrong. That's great. There we go. That's how it's supposed to look. Oh, look at how much, oh, wow. That really lets off a lot of air. I love it. Okay, guys, low-key, I really love this. And this will be something that I most likely won't use, but like as a fan, but I will use it as a decoration because I have some fans that I got for my craft studio that I'm going to put out there when I eventually get that completed. That'll be a DIY. That will be amazing. Nonetheless, I will probably add this to that wall that's going to have the beautiful fans on it. But I love this. Yes, this is so cute. Okay, let's move on to the next thing that she has in here. And this is a Manhattan Chic eye palette. Okay, Manhattan Chic eye palette. Let's make sure that the lights aren't glaring on this. So, okay, I can tell you right now what I'm loving about this palette is they have everything labeled for me. Like it says primer, and then it has that this is glitter. You probably can't see this, but this here says base. This says crease. And I can't read that last one, but yeah, I love the fact that they're spelling it out for people who are a little makeup challenged like myself. So I appreciate that. Pretty awesome. Okay, so I will probably obviously have pop-ups of where you can buy this stuff and how much it costs, but that is not included with this bag, and it's probably the only thing that I don't like about this bag is that you don't know where to get the products and how much they cost. But I usually find that for you guys because they're pretty easy to find most of the time on Amazon. Okay, so let's jump into the next thing. Mary Kay satin hands. Yes. You guys know I complain about my hands being dry all the time, but I started using those Mrs. Meyer's hand soaps that I got from Grove Collaborative. If you guys did not catch that video, make sure you check it out because they have their fall scents in. They smell amazing. So I've been using those hand soaps, so my hands are not as dry as they were because I've been using those in addition to other hand creams. But this is always good to have. So it's white tea and citrus. All right, let's give it a smell. I don't really, oh no, the bag fell. That's going to be great for editing. All right, ooh, I got a lot. Whoops. Let's go ahead and put some of this on since I put like, you know, a ton on my hand and I really didn't want to put it on my ring, but you know. Ooh, it smells good, guys. Yay. Okay, okay. And obviously this is a sample size. 0.75 ounces. So I will try to find the big one and let you guys know how much it costs. And Mary Kay, I'm sure, has this on their website. And I'm sure that if you guys have a Mary Kay lady, you can ask them about it as well. But nonetheless, I might also find it on Amazon or something like that. I'm not sure. So we're going to have to pause because I dropped the bag and I'm going to have to pick it up. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, sorry about that. But, you know, things happen. All right, so we're moving on to this NYX Infinite Shadow Stick in the color Chocolat. Chocolat. Okay, can I open this for you guys? I always complain about how boring it is to watch people open stuff. And if I was smart, but it wouldn't really be an unboxing if I had all this pre-opened for you guys, I guess. So, I mean, I'm trying to be, you know, as authentic, so to speak, as I can with these unboxings. I'm going to use my teeth. You're going to see that in about 2 seconds. So I'm not getting a good hold of it with my fingers. So that's when I just use my teeth. I know that's so ladylike. It's awesome. All right, but I want to open this for you guys so that I can see what's going on here. So here's what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and, wow, that is chocolate. Hello, chocolate. Hello, chocolate. You know, that's a really great, wow, that went on nice and creamy. I really like this. Okay, so, you know, I'll give this a try, but I normally don't use this color, but I'm willing to give it a go if I don't like it. The thing with this, guys, and the reason why I open everything and try it out is if I don't like something, I know for a fact that one of my nieces will be able to use it. So that's usually where it goes, because obviously I can't put anything in a giveaway or anything like that if I'm swatching it and putting it all over my hands and stuff like that. So if I ever did do a giveaway for anything, I will assure you that it's not opened or touched in any way, shape, or form. But 9 times out of 10, I open everything in these unboxings, so I most likely wouldn't be using anything from one of these, but I just went on a rant for no reason. Let's see what else is in this bag. Out of control rant. What the heck was that? All right. So let's go ahead and jump into the next thing here. And this is a Too Faced Shadow Insurance Nude Shimmer Eyeshadow Primer. Did you guys get all that? That was a lot. And it is in, I guess it's the color Champagne. There you go, guys. Nice little guy. You know, this will probably go a long way. I just started using eyeshadow primers because I just got one in one of my makeup things. And, you know, I'm kind of liking it. I think it definitely does make a difference. So, you know, we'll see. Ooh, yes. Wow. There's your color, guys. Ooh. Yeah, it does kind of shimmer. I'm not sure if you're getting that on my finger there, but it definitely kind of shimmer and shines. Okay, so this is pretty awesome. And, you know, this is a really little bottle, probably not the full size that you would get, but I can tell you it's still going to last a really long time because you don't need a whole lot of this stuff, so this is good. Alrighty, dighty. So the next thing she's got in here are a pair of tweezers. Who doesn't need extra tweezers? And I'm trying to open them for you guys, but, you know. So they're really cool, you know, print on your tweezers here. I can tell you guys I lose these all the time, so it's good to have another one laying around somewhere for me to be able to find it for when I need it. So that's awesome. And the last thing that she puts in her bags, and you guys know how much I love this, is some little candies. Guys, I eat these every single time. I get so excited. I think this is such a nice touch, and I love that she does this. So I always include it in the unboxing. So there you go, guys. That was my August Diva Bag by Sonya. I'm loving everything that I got. I will definitely be trying out all of those products, and anything that I don't want to use, I always give to my nieces, as I just said, because they are far younger than me, obviously. They're in their early teens, so they're experimenting with makeup, and the one is really good at doing makeup, so she would love to have anything that I could give her. So that's usually where this stuff goes, just so you know, none of it goes to waste. Nonetheless, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful or useful in some way. And if you haven't got your Diva Bag by Sonya yet, I have put her website in the description box below. Make sure you check it out, guys. 12 bucks a month. She supports small businesses, women-owned businesses, that kind of thing. I think it's awesome. And it's only 12 bucks a month. And I feel like this bag gives you a lot of great things for that price. So make sure you check her out. Now, we are going to close it out. So if you're not subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! You guys know that this is one of my favorite makeup subscriptions that I've gotten so far. I've tried quite a few, guys. I gotta say, I've tried quite a few makeup subscriptions. I can't say subscriptions. Maybe I should just not say it, even though it's part of the video. I don't know. Let's try it again. And you get really good stuff for that amount of money, I gotta say. Yeah, Boom! Shagalaga. Try it again. All right, so I think I've talked enough about it. So without further ado, let's jump into what I got in my August bag from Diva by Sonya. What? What? It was good until then. Darn it. I love when companies do this, and you know, the owner has a little yep. Boom. Check this out. Obviously, I blocked my address, but it says right here, to the fantastic Amber Meeks. I just yelled in the microphone. That's probably not good. Try that again.